Makana mabaya kubona mkwanga mbuseri tabangela kumula matiba yala funga mabenga bisiza n'umukono kumula mkutu mukamba banga ndunge maganda mamwanga nemeri mivuga mayiga madya takolo zeri topeza bonoka masangi bivugo kwa basala atalima ngometse tabibwezi kikuende amuma tiyako na mambu kupiere matinguna kwenere njunga kwa ngola kwa ngoma biyelo lwalu basembo lukakimi nduli na nisafu wali kuba yansombi kabambukeno mbala bubeleti matani mama kumbuna bamama ni baba kwetela batata ni baba tikita matela kuna luwolo bika kondibila kulembo mvulumamba ngurianza kinzenza mbanza banga kinkambu mbanza mputi ubeleti bata mungo yomfumulemba kuna lufunga ndumbani zazi tempoka nikutumbala ni nyami patana bala ni baba da musuka wilani jari ya kasa kimpenga kimkanda mingenge yanga mbanza mbodila msengo kimanika kingwala mwengo ndaba mkieme tona to salasani ya ige nakuna ni ya ikobata salasenza pe itudidye tutomono ya bwana ngambulu kitari ngoli balu koko lupebe sisulu mkabi vunguta munswele mafushima ngungu pesa kilubi ngandu kutswa indamba ngweni getata mugani ambe mabulajeri pasa ndudi adinene kupiza kuyotajo ntangu ni tangu bupata kubia totale kei kwake malengo kari mayina manzaza mulenda singa banana lukitu kumalori malaba mankami tinkanda mankaba makongo yongo mwalumbanza mbembe gati ndubu ya tituka silabu za zibama masandu mumakangama namatafuta mafutana katika po ekata tukutolo mansushi ngavu ili faramasiku kilishu subwa izani wetembezele maseno yaye maseno kusabate kongo yetu yaye yakubama oka nzungi ntimba mwati ndunga majamini na mkika maseno yaye maseno kusabate kongo yetu yaye yakubama yakuyatata lumu luwala matimu mamvuri ngele bimenko ikola gata shikama yanga bukongo bibwaki mbalala maji kibeti bubele tankele kenata siasia bubele tamalanda mamansulu kungotaranchila mamba ambe ngura mkutumbala ubele makwanza nganga longolokelekele lukaka yaka kubansaki zumuna madama nata tabibimbu germain tapepa na tabimbeni pebatekela mbenga bena otiba bari boko belanka tintomba manyaga nakumando meje toni tambongwe walana oni tamalonga malata bete lumomba zankolo mbaza sadaka nganzaka mbaza nganga makusumbo zani samba pala chiyinga ni wuri tankombo malata bete chiaji matetsa mama lono na luemo masesa mete ketabatsimba na bemba biza bifumu Andre mwendo koko kimpanzu kuka ipuka fota na mangole manela ndo kichimpilansa kamilu nitapiza chilandi nitalumwa walatabetwe luingi kana fulinga sese diabanyoka wada mankondi butuka ni bemba lumau yangu inda yama ndwele na kampaka Mosimbieri kingoma ni samba ndongo Kachumba na kalupasu mbaba yingana Nkamambanga na mpeo matakanga mibaku Bingonga munzenze chikakasa ni kukampasi Talupienge magatamete Chinkala yokama matumbu ntonkama Mbamu manyeto nsomoni tamundongo Chilandi ni makumbu mambombo Lukami ome minangela luomo na nkankata Nganga kogo matula mantakala ni tatu watu Koja matieku wandanda magatamete Indamba vinza mpangala kimbana mambyo Mayama kisuka luweto ni Kongo Kamusitwe Yaya magatamete Yaya magatamete Karange kyo Emanga isiru Ike bangese Kingele ike Inga fumako Sokoto kiti Uwanga galie Ngamikole inoni palesa Mwabele kwini Silabu jisaluka Maatana mazandu mama kutu kumbune
So, Ngizombote, welcome.
Cambote.
Yambote. If you're watching, we welcome you. Thank you very much. This is Kikongo class. Kikongo is spoken in Angola, Gabon, the Democratic Republic of Congo, and the Republic of Congo. Yes. Thank you very much. Welcome, Tata Allen, Nengwa Tadiwa, Tata David. Thank you for your time.
Ngizambote.
Kiambote.
Cambote.
Tito Ndele. We are going to I'm going to greet you in Kikongo. Yeah, let's see. Tata Allen. Ready? Kiambote Tata Allen.
Kiambote tatampanzu.
Dunama Vimpi.
Ingeta. Tunama vimpi yeyeno, eh?
Yetepe Tunama Vimpi. Ah, well done, Tito Ndele. Try to do this. Remember. Thank you very much. Kiambote Nengwa Tadiwa.
Kiambote.
Dunama Vimpi, eh?
Ingeta tuna mavimpi yeyenwe.
Yetepe Tunama Vimpi. Tito Ndele. Tata David. Can you try, please? Kiambote Tata David.
Cambote tata mpanzu.
Dunama Vimpi, eh?
Ingeta tunama vimpi yanu, eh?
Tutondele. Yetepe Tunama Vimpi. Tutondele. Tutondele. Well done. Tutondele. Let me try to share my. Any question about previous lessons? I mean, Kikai. Don't worry, I will be going back all the time. I already remember Tata earlier. I tried to explain to you. I don't know how to describe it. Let's call the pillars. 3 pillars: Kikongo, Luvila, Ku, traditional talk, the way you introduce yourself, and something else. Tata, remember? Traditional wedding process. Yes, we did that.
Oh, Kinzozi?
Yes. Yeah. Cool. No, not cool. No, forget about cool. But this is another thing. Yes, thank you very much. Kikai and traditional Congo wedding. Yes, talking about Kinzonzi. Tata, what is Kinzonzi?
I think Kinzozi is when it's basically the form of getting together to actually
Yes.
have discussions of varying matters.
Yes, but Congo way of talking. I mean, formal talk. Yes, the way we talk. This is Kinzonzi. You could translate it into you can say it diplomacy, or as someone else did, eloquence. I mean, because the way people talk during formal talk, of course, our talks are very formal. Yes. Tutondele. Let me just share my phone. Again, thank you very much for your time. It is Sunday. This one. Yes. Is it okay?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you very much. You are able to read it. That's good. This is a revision. We're going back to the same lesson. Nengwa tadiwa okentwa me akweikena.
Okentwame akwekena. Munzokena.
Nzokena. Let me try to say the pattern here. I mean, I can't be 100% sure about that, but the pattern here is. I remember there's another book written by one of the people linguists in Rwanda. He was saying that our patterns are not very strict. I mean, they are not. I wouldn't say 100% correct, but there's a fluctuation. They vary a lot according to variant area. So people test, Yes. Let me just go. If I say I don't want. How do you say Zola? It want to want. Yeah, Zola. In this context, it's want. In another context, we can Zola is love. But let's say I don't want it. I don't want. Let me make it simple. I don't
You
want.
said Zolako?
Almost there. Kizola leko. Mm?
Oh,
Yeah,
Zolaleko.
we have double negative. Like in French, je ne veux pas. As soon as you say ne, you know that at the end, pa is going to follow.
Right.
So we have the same thing in Kikongo. Ki, as soon as you say ki, someone say ki goes with ko. Kizorele ko.
Kizolaleko. Okay, that makes sense.
But that ki, some people would say ka, ke, instead of ki. Some people say ke. Depend on sentence. I mean, that's why I'm just trying to highlight this because it's the same thing here. Let's take it like a 100% pattern. See the key K on Kento. Kento. K here. K, yes. Okay, the pattern. Kento. I was. Let me just try to display something else. I leave me totally. Not sure. Let me just try to illustrate that quickly. Let me just make it. Let me just remove this. I need to show you something that maybe will help. Kibokolo is a district, is an area. Eto, what does it mean? What Eto, Tatalen? Eto. It is first person. Remember? Tata Davis? First person plural. Then what tell you?
Yes.
Yes.
Does it mean us?
Yes.
Or ours?
We call it possessive, yes. Okay. This is not negative, yeah? I'm saying Kibokolo, this area, it is ours. But this KI, it goes with the name Tata Nagon. Tata David, yes? Is it clear, Tata David?
Okay, so this is saying this yard or this area is ours.
Yes, but the key here.
So if you had key there, then wouldn't you have to say Kiboko no Kieto Ko, this is not our area?
Sorry, I missed that, sorry.
So if I wanted to say this is not our area, wouldn't we just say Kiboko no Kieto Ko?
I'm sorry. No, sorry. Tell that I don't want to confuse you. No. We are not talking about negative now. Just
okay.
Put it aside for the time being. Yeah, I'm just trying to. We're going back to the lesson. I'm just trying to say that the pattern. See the word key and key here.
Just that they agree.
Yeah. Yes. Exactly. Yeah. Kibokolo kieto. Yes. Okay. What the time is going? Okay. Let's just go back quick to another. Tata, name what I do. Did you get that?
Yes, I did.
Kibokolo quieto. Yes. Okay, let me go quick to listen. Oh, Tata is gone. He's not home, that's why. Yeah, mais once again. Yes. Tata David, please.
Unkentuame Akwe Kena. Where is my wife? Munzo Kena.
Unzokena, yes. Thank you very much, Tata David. Nengwatadiwa.
Engudiame akwekena
Mm.
munzokena.
Mm. Okay, let me just go back quick. I've not something. Okay. Okay, that pattern was wrong. I think we have to don't ignore that. There's the pattern from here. Don't worry about the name. Yes, sorry.
Okay.
It is hard to define that. David.
Owana ame akwe bena.
Mm.
Where are my children? Munzo bena.
Yes. Name what are you? Singular. This is plural. Owaname.
Mwaname
Well done. Mwaname. Akwei.
akwekena.
Ah, well done. Yes, because Bena is third. Yeah, third plural. Yeah. Thank you. Dr. David.
Ekinkutu kiame akwe kina.
Mm.
Where is my shirt? Munzo kina.
Munzokina. Well done. Kikutukiame. Yes. Nengotadiwa.
Umadiame akwemena munzomena.
Omadiamame kwemena munzomena.
It is in the house.
Dr. David.
Watu miame akwe mina. Where are my clothes? Munzo mina. They're in the house.
Munzomina. Yes. Oh, sorry. My mouse. Yes, Nengotadiwa.
Unkandiame
Unkandame.
unkandame akwewina. Where is
Mm.
my book? Munzowina. It is in the house.
Mm.
Hmm.
This is singular. I think the next slide is plural. Yes, Tata David.
Unkandam yame akwe mina. Where are my books? Munzo mina. They're in the house.
Yes. We done. Well done. Any question? Let me try to check the grammar again. Ngandame. Batumiame. Batumiame. Yes. Any questions? Tata Nengo Tadiwa. Tata, sorry. Tata David.
I have a question.
Go ahead. Yeah.
So when you want to ask where something is, you have to start off using
The
the
subject.
actual thing that you're looking for,
Yes.
and then you say where is it.
The object. Yeah.
So you say food, where is it?
Yes. Tata is back. Tata is sorry.
Sorry, I apologize.
Oh no worries. Almost at the end. It's just some lesson, just revising. Yeah. Can you ask again? Can you say your question? That and then I'm gonna tell you.
So
Good question.
when we
Go
want
ahead.
to ask where something is, you start off saying the actual thing you're looking for, and then you say where is it. For example, food, where is it?
Yeah. Did you get that? The way question. I mean, Kikongo way. Yes. Food. What
Yeah, I
is
was
it?
actually looking at that earlier, and I noticed that pattern.
You did okay. Let me talk about quickly. Oh my dear mom. I mean, this is formal. This is correct way, grammar, good grammar. But you could say that around is not bad. It's not incorrect.
Okay.
I could say akoikin ekikudukiame. Yeah, you could say it's correct, but there's no sound right. In terms of grammar, it's correct, but in terms of tradition, people oral, the way people talk, see, is not right. It's not. It doesn't sound good. Yes. Tutondele. Question Tatalen.
No, I don't have any questions. Actually, I reviewed last week's lesson earlier.
Mm.
Well, I did have a question. Actually, so Kadiambuko just means like what? No problem.
Yes, I was talking about that. Yeah, let me just try to write it down quickly. Where's my phone? Yes. Yeah, no worries, Kadiambuku.
No worries. Okay.
Yeah, Kadiambuku. What does it mean? I mean, what is Diambu, Tatalen, in Kikongo? Mata, mm,
What is it?
business,
Diambu?
Jam, sorry?
No, I don't know what it means.
Okay, so Diambu word could mean words, depending on context. Word, issue,
Or bad.
but no, it's fine. No, not bad.
Yeah.
Diambu is
Okay.
Diambu.
Okay.
Mm. Diambu is
An
mata.
issue.
Issue, yeah, issue, yes. Yes, issue in terms of in terms of issue. Okay, you know what I mean.
Mhm.
Yes.
Right. Sort of like a problem.
Correct. Yes, that's a problem. Yes.
Mhm.
Yambo could be word, could be problem. Yes. Okay, this is double negative. You know, car and co. In this case, the car is not car. It's not key. Mm? Having said that, remember it is not. I wouldn't say 100% correct. It change. It depends on the variant and the area. Some people would say, I think in my area we say Kediambuko. Yes.
Mhm.
Some people say Kediambuko. Tatane, your question.
Yeah. No, okay, I got it.
Mm. Let me give you something. Lumbuka lumbu. Lumbuka lumbu. Lumbu means, Tatane, remember lumbu? Day.
Hmm.
Mm. When I say lumbuka lumbu, I mean day by day.
Mm.
But some people say lumbuke lumbu. See?
Mhm.
All right, we just take it. You say potato, I say potato. It is correct.
Mm. Yeah.
Tutondele, tuyangalele, tufiaukidi. Fiaukidi? Tatale, fiaukidi?
Mm. I remember hearing that word. Tufiaukidi.
Sorry?
I remember hearing tufiaukidi.
Okay. Fiaukidi, let me just put back my fiaukidi. Mm. We are pleased. Mm.
Hmm.
Satisfied. I mean, that sense.
Okay.
Yes.
I have a question. What
Yeah.
about sometimes I hear on the Kikongo talk show, sometimes I hear the host say Kiambote Kiki. What does that mean?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, hello. How do you translate it? I mean, translation. I mean, Papa Tata David knows better than me. Translation is very even worse when you talk about the African Bantu language to translate into European language. So the question was, Moteki kilo. Mm,
Yeah.
mm. Okay, let me just check. If I say tutondele kilo, I mean thank you very much indeed. Mm,
Okay.
Hmm.
yes, thank you very much. Tutondele kilo. Or you could say, we really thank you. Yes,
Okay.
we are very glad.
Okay.
Tutondele. Okay, good. Don't forget, I think half an hour we're having Kikongo Talk Show. Yes. Tutondele. Wenda Kiambote.
Salakia.
Kiambote.
Thank you very much.
Tondele Kikilu.
Ah, well done. Yes. Oh yeah. I mean, Bagongo people are very formal. When you say kikilu, I mean you mean something else. I mean it's extra, very. You mean it. When you say kikilu, you mean it. You're right. That's one of the explanations.
Yes.
You mean it, yeah.
Yes.
Okay, see you. Bye.
All right. Bye-bye.
Tamo aqui. Aquele estresse do Maia, manda ver.
Kuna ya